Which is the fastest bird in the world? A. Bald eagle. B. Peregrine falcon. C. Hummingbird. D. Raven. The correct answer is B. Peregrine falcon. Renowned for its remarkable flight speed, the peregrine falcon is distinguished as the fastest bird globally, capable of reaching speeds exceeding 300 kilometers (186 miles) per hour during dives. This exceptional velocity also earns it the title of the fastest animal on Earth. What is the tallest waterfall in the world? Angel Falls, Venezuela. B. Niagara Falls, New York. C. Wailua Falls, Hawaii. D. Sutherland Falls, New Zealand. Answer is A. Angel Falls, Venezuela. The tallest waterfall in the world is Angel Falls in Venezuela. With a height of 3,212 feet, 979 meters, and a continuous drop, Angel Falls holds the title as the highest waterfall on the planet. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? A. Venus. B. Saturn. C. Mars. D. Mercury. Correct answer is C. Mars. Mars is commonly referred to as the Red Planet due to its reddish appearance, which is visible from Earth. This characteristic color comes from iron oxide, or rust, that covers much of the planet's surface. Mars' distinct hue makes it a visually distinctive object in the night sky and has also influenced a significant amount of scientific research focused on its geology and potential for supporting life. Thank you for watching. Kindly share this video and follow Merchant of Knowledge Africa for more.